welcome to my channel. I am Ndogozopi and today I'll be talking about surviving first year varsity. It's the survival of the fittest. Stay tuned. Well, first and foremost, if you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe to my channel. So as I introduce myself, I am Ndogozopi. I'm gonna turn 20 this year and I'm a second year varsity student at the University of Johannesburg. Varsity, my first year's experience. It was amazing. Like, varsity was so nice. Like, I really enjoyed my first year of varsity. It wasn't smooth all the way through. There were ups and downs, you know. First and foremost, varsity is nothing like high school. It is completely different worlds. It's Mars and Earth. It's an individual game. It does not matter if your friend got 80 or 50 in the test. You don't compare yourself to them. You don't. You're in your own lane, your own league. Do not follow trends. Like, stay true to yourself. Yes, this is like the time to reinvent yourself, you know. You're away from home, you're starting a new chapter, you know. Things are so different. Like, this is a new level, this is a new chapter in your life. You are more independent, you're getting your own allowance, you're living in your own space. But you know, you have that freedom to make your own rules. You're like 100% an adult now. So you gotta stand up for yourself. And don't also fall part of peer pressure. Do things that you're like, you know what, I'm gonna do things this because I can. Because whatever you do will always have a consequence. Varsity is not going to be easy. There will be good times and there will be bad times. But you just gotta keep on pushing. Like I said, it's the survival of the fittest, because the dropout rate is huge. And the rate of changing courses, well, some people change courses to a much easier course. Those rates are huge. They shouldn't be like that. Yes, it's hectic. Yes, there'll be times that you cry, and that's when you pray even harder. Like, if you're Christian like I am, you like putting God first in everything. Like, you're praying, you're asking for help and for guidance, and you have your family. Keep in touch with your family, interact with your friends, talk to your friends, seek advice wherever you can. There are also like school resources where you can seek career advice. There are psychologists. It will be draining, honey. It will be draining. Physically, mentally, spiritually, socially, healthy. Guys, staying healthy is very important. There's no space or time to become sick. Okay, the next topic on surviving varsity is academics. I mean, that's the only reason we came here to school. To learn, for academics, to gain more knowledge. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Okay, textbooks. Some textbooks may be new editions, some textbook may be last year's editions. If it's last year's editions, please guys, save your money and buy second-hand textbooks. Attend your lectures and tutorials. Attend them, whether it's your major or like your minor. Just attend. And before attending your classes, make sure that you have gone through the work that you're going to do that day on hand. Make sure you have your mini notes and you wrote your questions if you have to. Prepare for your lectures. You are going to have to compromise which subject I'm focusing on the most. Focus on what I'm struggling on the most. And if you miss a lecture, there's always another lecture that you can like get hold of. When you get assignments or tasks to do them as soon as possible. Don't let them pile up. It's vital to have a daily diary plan. You can also write your test dates there. You don't want to fail your test. You don't want to write a supplementary test. Master that first test so you don't have to write the sub. Wear something comfortable freely. This is not a fashion show. So don't overdress to class. You are there to learn. You are not there to show off your clothing as if this is a runway. One last important thing is to utilize the facilities and resources given to you. Utilize your professors or lecturers. If there's something that you don't understand, visit them, guys. They are paid for you to ask questions. No matter if you think that, oh, this is a stupid question, there's nothing as being stupid, or there's nothing such as a stupid question. If you don't understand something, go to your lecturers. Otherwise, you can also see your tutors. They are always there. How to manage your allowance and also budget. That's important. Okay, so now you've bought all your textbooks, you've paid your rent, you've paid everything that's essential, your decor for your rest, stationery and all that. And now we need groceries. If you're going with your parents and they are paying, it's not like they're giving you money to say, okay, here's money, buy groceries. Okay, if they're like that, it's better to go with them to the grocery shop so you can stock up, guys. You need to stock up. Because at some point your things run out so fast, you can't even enjoy your allowance because you need to buy groceries. Stock up on non-perishable foods, okay? And looking good comes at a high cost, honey. Like, salons are so expensive. Braid something that will last you a month or two so you don't have to spend. Don't feel pressure to go out because your friends are going out. Understand your situation, that if I go out tonight, I won't have food for the rest of the month, you know. It's essential to get some fresh hair, honey, and go out for lunch, go out for dinner, try new restaurants and places, go out for movies, go ice skating, go to music festivals, go clubbing, go to the nightlife. I've honestly, you know, they were like in Varsity, there are many bashes. From corner to corner there are bashes. I've never been to any student bashes. I've never been there. But I've been to other places where it's nice. Because I love food, I would go out to fancy restaurants, fine dining, and, you know, excite my taste buds, because that's what I love. Most students buy lots of clothing when they come to Varsity, especially here around Joburg. We have Small Street, we have China Mall. So I think that's what most Varsity students spend on. They spend on materialistic things rather than the experience, you know. We're in Joburg. You can go to Gold City. There's a new water world that just opened up. You can go to music festivals. You can go to art galleries, movies and all that. Fine dining, you know, and that's how I spent and enjoyed my allowance. So guys, that's my advice for you for first year Varsity, you know, and I hope that my advice was very helpful. Surviving Varsity isn't easy, guys. If it was easy, everyone would be in Varsity and there'll be no one dropping out. So that's my advice for you, and I'm wishing you all the best. I'm here to answer all your questions. You can DM me on Instagram. I'll leave my username below and we can chat if there's more questions you want to ask. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you.